Dave at USA Performance Parts. I wanted to show you a really great top-end kit for a big block Chevy. This is a complete top-end kit compared to most of them out there. Not only comes with a great set of aluminum cylinder heads, these are race valves, not a street valve. They're a good competition valve. The correct valve spring for the cam application comes with everything else that goes with the heads, the retainers, ID locators, studs and guide plates. But one of the unique things about this is it also comes with this kit comes with a hydraulic flat tappet cam, comes with the lifters for it, comes with a timing chain set. Now this is a billet timing chain set. Comes with stainless steel rocker arms, so it really gives you everything you need to change over to aluminum heads from an iron head, or if you have an older set of heads. This kit comes with an Edelbrock manifold, ARP head bolts, ARP manifold bolts. Comes with the cam lube, all the little things that you need. Comes with a Felpro performance head gaskets, not a cheap stock type gasket. Comes with a Felpro intake manifold gaskets. Everything here comes in a complete box, ready for you just to go ahead and assemble it. Just give us a call. We're out in the warehouse right now, packing up some of these for customers. Give me a call here at USA Performance Parts, 704-397-7979.